Hello, good vibes. Ganyan, the two puppies eating. The two puppies are eating. Look at them. Oh, look at them. The two puppies. Ang dalawang cute na tuta ay kumakain. Magkapatid sila. Sila po ay magkapatid. There are two puppies. Look at them. They are happily eating their breakfast today. Tignan nyo ang mga puppies. Oh, may kitten. Gustong sumali. Two puppies and a kitten. They are eating. Oh, lakas kumain ah. Mga kasimpleng buhay at good vibes. Ang lakas nilang kumain. Di ba? Tignan mo.
Yes na. Papa mo yan?
They're eating, oh. They're eating, oh. Oh. Cute little puppies. Kumakain po sila. Ayan. Oh. Two Labrador puppies. Tignan nyo, oh. They are brothers. They are eating. They are eating. The two puppies are eating. Kumakain ng dalawang puppies.
Napakaanghang naman itong sila kaniyat.
Oh, tignan mo. Meron ding extra dito na si Snow, ang poging bida. Handsome. Ang two puppies at ang pogi na Snow. Snow! Snow, smile! Tignan niyo po ang nakarecover niyang balahibo ni Snow. Nakarecover. Lakas kumain, oh. Mga ka-good vibes, oh. Oh, kita? Ang lakas kumain. Si Snow, tignan nyo. Yung dati niyang nakalbong pisngi, oh. Ganda na ng balahibo, oh. Sige po mga ka-good vibes. Sa next ulit na episode natin. Maraming salamat. Ka-good vibes at kasimpleng buhay. Thank you.